First of all, let's start with link CAD. Alright, let's open up item number 1 on this, on link CAD. How many of you are able to see this part of the work? Okay, many a times you cannot just start off using Revit totally clean and so on. Many a times we either have to link our AutoCAD drawings, either our design proposals or the site drawings and so on from AutoCAD, and then we can convert it eventually into Revit geometry so that we can trace them over. So this is one of the ways from 2D to becoming 3D in that sense. Yeah. So the command to do this would be to insert. You will find that there are two things in which later on we will cover and talk about. Two items down here. First of all, within insert itself, we are going to touch on this one called link CAD here. Now, this is very similar to this, to import CAD. Both of these will allow you to bring the AutoCAD file into the project, except one of which you can't explode, one of which you can. We won't talk about that part first. Let's talk about the link CAD portion first. So click on this and then we can begin to look for an AutoCAD file to use. In this case, let's look for floor plan. Don't double click on it, one click only, because before we go on, there are a few things we need to explain to you here. Now, first of all, Revit supports a couple of different file formats. Namely, first one will be drawing files, the AutoCAD drawing file, and then the more generic, more open source DXF file format. Okay, the drawing exchange file format. And then there is also the DGN file format. DGN is a MicroStation work file format. Then you have other ASCII set files. Okay, there is also SketchUp files. If you use SketchUp for some modelings, you will probably do that part. You can choose some of these as well. And then next, you can choose to this current view only option. If you do not check this button, that would mean this plan will appear in all levels or something. Okay, don't follow me on this, just look at my screen and I'll show you the negative example. So let's say I don't check on this. I set this drawing to, I can set it to invert, preserve and black and white. Now black and white, obviously when I bring the drawings in, it will become black and white lines only. I can choose to invert the color scheme, meaning you see on my preview screen here, everything here is largely yellow, magenta and red. Alright, if I do a color invert, what will happen is it will invert everything. Okay, the color scheme now changes. So it says here place at level 1 and so on. Okay, I'm going to try without this current view only and I click OK. Yeah? So what's going to happen is here. You notice now things will begin to happen again. It is also appearing in level 2, site and everything. Alright. Let me see if we undo this now. I'm going to redo this now one more time and click on link CAD and click on the same floor plan. Alright, this time around I will invert this, but I choose current view only and I click open. I place it at the same location. Do I still see it or not? That means I don't see it. So when will be the scenario we would use it, or when will be the scenario we won't use it? This one is really, you need to be quite careful at your discretion to a certain degree. In this case, we are showing you very straightforward examples. This is a layout plan, let's say. This is a layout plan that concerns only, let's say, level 1. Now, if you don't want it to affect level 2 and 3 and so on, so the thing about this is, maybe we don't want to deal with this, we don't want to touch this at all. So So you just want it to happen in one floor. Alright? But if it is later on the topographical plan, in the topo plan itself that will affect, because the topo is different, it affects many layers, many levels. So you may need that to happen. Alright? We talk about this later. Can we try again one more time? Follow me on this. Click on LinkCAD now. Select AutoCAD floor plan. Okay, make sure you check the current view only and change the color scheme to invert. Alright? And then you can do a manual centering. When you click on manual center, means you will shift them yourself and you align them yourself at that. And try do this and click open and place it. This is what we mean by the preserve option. If you preserve the color, it will look exactly the way it is when you draw it in AutoCAD. If you invert it, however, the color now looks different. It looks inverted. Doesn't really do much damage at all. It merely changes the color scheme so that you can see better, period. And the black and white one. For drawing overlays, my recommendation is, if you know that you are going to trace over, because you're going to build wall around your drawings, alright, you're going to build up that model, my recommendation is please choose color. Choose color because you know, later you will know when you build up the walls, what you have done, what you have not done. If everything is black and white, the walls are also black and white when you build them, I'm telling you there will be a good chance you are going to miss out things because you wouldn't know which ones you have modeled, which ones you haven't yet. Alright? Next part is, you must make sure select links. This option is checked already. If you didn't check this, hey, now we can't even touch and select anything at all. It's a bit of a problem this way. Okay, when you need to shift them later, we can't quite do this. Alright, so please make sure if you need to amend them or shift them, you need to make sure it is selectable so that we can move them properly. Now again, if you need to be able to select them when they are pinned down, you might want them selectable, but you want to secure them to a certain location, right? So that it doesn't, after you pin it down, once you get the feng shui correct already, that's the spot you want it to be, my recommendation again, use the modify option here and use the pin option and pin it down. This one here. Once you pin it down, the error of moving it by accident will not happen. You can always reverse this process, however, after you have pinned it down already, you can always select this and unpin them. This part.